Welcome to Maclin Ford. My name is Daryl, and today I'd like to show you this Star White Metallic 2021 Ford Explorer Limited 4-door, 4-wheel drive. There are so many options and features on this Explorer that it would be hard to fit them all in a short video like this, so let me just touch on a few. 360-degree exterior camera, front fog lights, auto high beams, power heated folding door mirrors with memory and signal, a complete tow package, roof rails. We're also rolling on 20-inch wheels and Michelin rubber tread. Equipped with a 2.3-liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine and paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look inside. Showing off a black leather interior from front to back. We have steering wheel mounted controls wrapped in leather and heat. We have a B&O audio system. Fine detailing on the stitch work here. Power front bucket seats with heat. Showing 146 kilometers on the dial. One of my favorites is no more fumbling for awkward keys with a push-button start. Ford Motor Company's been advancing and innovating technology for years in their vehicles. A few examples are voice-activated navigation, FORDPASS CONNECT, remote vehicle start, Sync 3, and wireless charging pads, all included in this Explorer. And with that being said, I'd highly recommend the reading material that we provide. Treat yourself to a little sunshine every day. The beautiful leather interior continues into the back seat. Second row, very comfortable. And for the third row passenger, it's pretty easy to get back there too. And you know I like the key fob action. This tailgate also has foot activation with plenty of cargo space. The back row seats fold forward with a push of a button. Thanks for watching the video. And I'd like to invite you to come on down to Maclin Ford and take a test drive in this Explorer. We're at 135 Glendeer Circle, Southeast Calgary. Or if you prefer, we can bring the vehicle directly to you at your convenience. Have a great day.